William Shatner. Tuesday, Weld. Suzanne Pleshette. Stefanie Powers. Ron Howard. Robert Redford. Peter Graves. Patrick O'Neill. Martin Sheen. Julie Newmar. Joey Heatherton. James Caan. Burt Reynolds. George Maharis. Arthur Hiller. Martin Milner. Glenn Corbett. Alda.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.